Hi guys, welcome to Gardening with Friends. Don't mind the umbrella in the rain. I'm so happy it's raining right now. It's been such a dry season here in Boston, driest for over a century. But it's not about that. I'm actually very fascinated by plants and by the science which helps breeders to create amazing plants with fantastic traits, to name a few: disease resistance, climate resistance, beautiful foliage and flowers, extended flower season. And I'm sure if you're watching this video, you share this fascination with me.
Our puppy Wookie is developing her fascination for gardening and plants. She is very inquisitive.
Today I would like to show you a few plants which are still blooming in my garden at the end of November,
as we had very warm fall. Let's see. Beautiful double knockout roses which bloom really late in the season. Wookie loves it. They do very well when planted in full sun and bloom reliably all summer long, all the way till frost. Check this out. Look at this Reblooming German bearded iris. Double click. It reblooms reliably in our zone 6B. Happy Face Potentilla blooms non-stop from spring to frost. Encore Reblooming azaleas. I have a couple of varieties in my garden. Autumn Carnation is covered with ruffled pink blooms. And Wookie wants to show another variety. Autumn Lily produces white blooms with occasional single purple stripes. Oh, look at that! My salvia is still pushing out some flowers. Very cute. Although I should have done much better job at deadheading. There are some echinacea blooms here and there in the garden. Floribunda rose is still blooming profoundly. Hybrid tea rose New Day doesn't want to give up. Petite knockout rose has huge flower power and covered with blooms. My Christmas rose, Helleborus niger, decided to bloom early this year and showing off its beautiful, delicate, but very cold-resistant flowers. Love my lavender, such a great performer. I think Wookie likes it too. Carpet Angel Daisy, the first ever ground cover Shasta daisy, bloomed all summer and continues way into the fall. It's so fun to see this little pansy which lasted all the way up to here. And this is my plant of the year, Gaillardia Arizona Shades. This year though, bunnies got to it. And of course, ornamental grasses. One of my absolute favorites, native muhly grass, which provides gorgeous late-season color and texture. I can't leave out miscanthus, which forms beautiful feathery plumes from late summer to late fall and creates winter interest in the garden. What a nice surprise, occasional bloom of clematis. I'm very happy with quite a few late blooming plants in my garden, and I hope you have some too. Happy gardening!